Hello, tea lovers! Let's delve into the fascinating world of tea, a beverage cherished by millions across the globe. Now let's steep ourselves in 5 interesting facts about tea. Fact 1. China, often referred to as the birthplace of tea, continues to be the largest tea producer in the world. Its expansive tea gardens have been nurturing tea leaves for centuries. Fact 2. Despite China's mass production, it's the Irish who clinch the title for the highest tea consumption per capita. They enjoy more than 4 cups a day on average. Fact 3. Did you know all tea comes from the same plant, Camellia sinensis? The varying taste? Well, that's all in the processing and fermentation. Fact 4. Tea takes the second spot as the most consumed drink in the world, just behind water. That's a whole lot of tea drinking. And finally, Fact 5. The priciest tea in the world is a unique Chinese tea known as Da Hong Pao. It's valued at over 30 times its weight in gold. Now that we've shared a bit of tea trivia with you, why not go and enjoy a relaxing tea break? Stay steeped in knowledge. And remember, there's always time for a cup of tea.